Hi guys, now before I start this sound test I just wanted to quickly say I'm not sure of the output power of this Bose micro as it's not on the Bose website, and after a 45-minute chat with an online Bose representative they were unable or just didn't want to give me that information. But that is Bose for you, isn't it? So if you have any idea of the output power in watts of this Bose micro Soundlink, then please let me know in the comments below, and I will be uploading a video on that particular discussion very soon, so watch out for that. Now these two speakers look about the same size, so I thought it would be a relatively good match. I've added timestamps below guys that you can just screen touch if you're on your phone, or click on if you're on a PC to skip between tracks, as you'll definitely hear these speakers sound different and better with different types of music, known as genres of course. And guys, this is definitely best listened to through decent headphones, and please let me know what you think in the comments below.